Hey guys, what's up? Are you looking to earn a little extra cash? Times are tight, everything's expensive. I don't blame you. I'm going to show you how to earn some extra money straight into your Cash App. You look at my account right now, I'm flat broke, but we're going to change that and I'm going to show you how. So, first things first, we're going to need to change some settings. I go to General, I go to Background App Refresh, and I want to make sure that's on for Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. We go back, we go down to the battery section. Once we're in the battery section, we want to make sure low power mode is off. Lastly, we go to the App Store section and we go down to where it says automatic downloads and we want to make sure that's on. That's it, just that simple. Now open up your web browser and go to this URL, ogearn.com, ogearn.com, ogearn.com. And once the website's up, you just need to enter your Cash App account name. Make sure you get that $ in the front so they know exactly where to send that money that you're about to earn. So I type in my account name, I tap earn, and it's going to bring up these offers. To complete these offers, we just need to use these apps for a little bit. It just wants us to use a minimum of 2 to earn $150. No problem. So I'm going to go ahead with this IRL social calendar app. Once I tap to install that, it's going to take me to the App Store. Once I'm on the App Store, I simply tap install to begin the process of installing it, just like you've done with countless apps before. So we're going to give that a second. We want to make sure that gets started. All right. Now we go back. Let's get started on that second app. We'll do Zynga Poker. I love poker. Who doesn't? And there's a few extra steps with this one, but nothing crazy. So it says it wants us to search specifically for video poker. No problem. We'll tap Search App Store. It brings up the App Store search bar. We type in video poker and we search. All right. Now we're going to look through the results. And there it is. Just up there, Zynga Poker. We're going to tap that. We're going to tap install just like we did before. We're going to give that a few seconds. All right, now we can get started using these apps. I tap IRL, I bring that app up, and all we need to do is just use the app for a short period of time. It's nothing crazy. I tap Get Started. It wants me to create an account. No problem. I'm going to type in my email address real quick. Just like that, and tap Next. And hey, guess what? We've completed this task. Just like that. Now we can get started on the Zynga Poker task. Same process here. We're just going to bring it up and we're just going to play around a little bit and use it for a little while. That's all we need to do. We're going to play as a guest. We're going to fast forward a little bit through this loading. It's a little long, but nothing crazy. All right, here we are. We're in the game. Now, let's see, what are we going to look at? We've got these Hold'em tables. We can check out all this stuff. It's telling us how to play the game, all of this crazy stuff that they offer. It's a pretty intense game. They have a lot of stuff. And actually, there's the Cinco de Mayo event pass. But guess what? We've completed that task just from looking around the menu, just like that. So next time we open up Cash App, we refresh our account. Let's look at this balance now. Boom, $150 in a matter of minutes. You saw how fast it was. So make sure you go to ogearn.com, complete those tasks, change those settings, and earn $150 today.